Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world, it's my world, Itsvontes's world. Welcome back to the channel. We back on the Impala project, you know what I'm saying? In the last video, I changed the back seats. You know what I'm saying? We put the black leather seats in the back. You know what I'm saying? So this video, we gotta do the front seats, you know what I'm saying? And it's a rainy day outside today, you know what I'm saying? It's raining. But I'm about to go ahead and bang this shit out. I'm gonna try to get the best angle, but I can't really put the camera outside because I don't want to get it wet, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all how to do the front seats too if you don't know, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna just show me doing my shit, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm really gonna show. Like, this is not a tutorial, you know what I'm saying? I'm just recording me changing my seats, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. We about to get right into it, man. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. At 1,500 subs, we are doing a giveaway, a Cash App giveaway, you know what I'm saying? And you could be a winner, you know what I'm saying? We just did the last giveaway. The last giveaway was $100, you know what I'm saying? And one of my subscribers got free $100, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get right into the video, man. Scoot the seat all the way up. It's two bolts. One is here, the other one right there. You gotta take them out. I think it's like a 15 millimeter, 15 or 16. Let me see. Alright guys, so it's starting to get a little dark, so sorry about the lighting. But once you get those two bolts out in the back, once you have those bolts out, next thing you're gonna wanna do is lift the seat up and then reach your hand under and grab the metal bar and pull it back. Alright, so now I got these out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the seat. I'm gonna lift the seat up and pull it back so I can take it out. Now I'm gonna have to lean the seat back and disconnect the harnesses under the seat. Alright. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but what I did was lift the seat up and disconnect that harness that was attached under the seat right there. Now I'm gonna pull the seat out and we're gonna disconnect the seat belt, and then we're gonna pull the seat all the way out the car. Seat belt off. Now we can take the whole seat out. Alright y'all, so we got the seats up out the car right now, you know what I'm saying? It's getting kind of dark outside, so I'm gonna just come back when I put the new seats in and they installed, and I'll just give y'all a look of what the car looked like from the inside, you know what I'm saying? And plus it's about to rain too, so I kind of got to put the camera up real quick. But make sure you hit the like button and I'll be right back before before I'm finished with this project, you know what I'm saying? Alright y'all, so it's the next day, you know what I'm saying? I went ahead, put the front seats in, as you can see, you know what I'm saying? I put this front seats in. It was dark, it was raining, and I couldn't really film that part, so you know what I'm saying? I just went ahead and put the front seats in and finished it up. But man, this is how it's looking in here, you know what I'm saying? This is how it's looking, you know what I'm saying? Got the SS seats in this thing, you know what I'm saying? Look way better now, I think, my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I think it look way better. It look way, oh shit. But let me see, let me show y'all, man. So yeah, man, you got the good black seats in here now, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, SS seats. So, like I said, man, yeah, this how it's looking now. You know, we got the black leather seats in this boy, got the SS seats in this boy now, so it's looking way better, way more comfortable. These seats way more comfortable too, you know what I'm saying? And I gotta shout out my brother for letting me get his seats out his SS Impala, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So that's where these seats actually came from, his old SS. So now, you know what I'm saying, we got the SS seats in here now, the black leather, you know what I'm saying? It just creates a whole vibe, you know what I'm saying? It joins in on the vibe that I'm creating and the theme that I'm creating for this car right here. So we still got a lot more stuff to do on this car, man. The wrap is coming, that's on the way. I ordered something else that's coming. Y'all see it when it get here. And I'm thinking about taking this trim off. Probably taking that trim off. Probably take this off and paint it. Might paint the door panels too, I don't know. But yeah, man, that's what it is right now, you know what I'm saying? We up in that Impala with the SS seats, you know what I'm saying? So we nice and comfortable with the black leather in this boy. It look way better on the inside, blacked out, and it actually make it look better from the outside too, believe it or not. I got the tints on here, and like the back tints is 5%, so you can't see through that, and the front tints is like 15%, so you can slightly see through it. And with the old seats, you know, being that they was like white gray, you could see, you know what I'm saying, it was reflecting light, you know what I'm saying? So it's like you could see inside the car more with those seats. Now with the black seats, it's absorbing the light, so you can't see in the front, you know what I'm saying, like you could before. Just like if you look over here at my at the Charger, you know what I'm saying? Like you would think my windshield is black, is tinted, but it's not, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. I just wanted to end this video out. We got the seats installed on here, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully if it don't rain tomorrow, I'll be doing something else, dropping another video. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all stay rocking out with me for this Impala build, and this project is gonna be complete hopefully before you know what I'm saying, we get some snow on the ground, you dig? But we never know with this Michigan weather shit. It might snow in 5 minutes, shit me. But yeah, man, that's it for this project, man. Hit the like button right now. It's looking way better. Comment what y'all think about the new seats. Do y'all think these seats better, or y'all think the other seats was better? Let me know in the comment section, man.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king.